Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol XXII. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time. Frampton does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a crazy strong move on the bounce side of things. I mean, to think that at one point the price was all the way down there, then all of a sudden by the end of the day, the price was all the way back up there. Any way you look at that, any rational person would say, yeah, the price certainly did make a very nice move on the day, but that leads to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at $1.30. Why is $1.30 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $1.30. If the price were to come down to $1.30, I'm not saying it will, but if it were to come down here, but then just keep on going, at that point, from a very literal perspective, that's starting to put the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true power. Whereas let's say the price were to come down here, behave in this manner, and then start to work its way back upwards. At that point in time, what do you have? Well, you have a set of lows right here. You have that set of lows right there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, the quote-unquote progress point being $1.30. Now, what about levels of resistance? Well, the main level of resistance is right where the price stopped on the day, and it's at that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. So the good news is, assuming there's no gap downs or anything like that, it's looking like the price will immediately begin able to resume their battle at that point right there. And if the price can push up through there, the next key level of resistance is going to be right up at, let's see, what is that level? Give or take around $1.65. But resistance levels, not really the top priority right now, in my opinion, after such a big bounce today. Right now, it's all about going through some healthy consolidations and chipping away and building higher bases. All in all, any way you look at it, great movement today, great volume, great bounce, and now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? We'll see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.